that was such a sight. And it's only befitting that a few weeks after the whole world met in Nice for the United Nations Conference of the Ocean, you are here. And we are all here to remind the world that we, island nations, have so much to teach the world.
Taputapuātea, in my opinion, is rising. It's rising again. You talked about this place becoming an annual leadership like it was 1,000 years ago. For Pacific leaders to come together, need to come together. But what more sacred place than Ikao Maui in the Pico of Polynesia?